Okay. Let's see, he's going outside. Oh, it's raining again. Oh my god. Luigi. Yes, Mario. It's raining again. It's already like the 29th August 2016. Those kids have to go to school tomorrow. Oh. So we're stuck in the house again. Darn it. Yep, I guess we're stuck in the house again. Yep, Luigi. I guess we're stuck in the house. Yep, my dear. I hear thunder because it is thundering. Huh? Oh, it's thundering. Yeah, I told you it's thundering. But why? It's thundering all the time. And I don't know what thundering is. I'm just kidding. I know thundering. Hate that masterpiece. Hi, Luigi. What are you doing? I'm making some dinner. Okay. Hate that masterpiece. It's cloudy. It's thundering. Yeah. Oh, I just saw thunder. Oh my god. Hope I don't get in there. Bubble thing. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, do you hear that? Yep. Okay. I'm gonna watch TV. Me too, Mario. I'm gonna get out. Okay, in the kitchen. La. Okay. Now let's watch. Okay, now let's watch TV. Great idea, Mario. The end.